Take a ride in the 2011 3 Series. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dynamic cruise control, tire pressure monitor, rear-wheel drive, rollover protection system. Inside you'll find auxiliary power outlet, emergency trunk release, floor mats. Proof that all good things come in threes. The BMW 3 Series has a well-deserved reputation for packing outstanding driving dynamics and excellent quality. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.